This is a game changer for me. Really makes your hair look so healthy and it dries it fast. If this works, the entire way I do my hair is about to change, and I'm so excited because I dread doing my hair after washing it. This is what I'm working with, you guys. So it's very thick, it's very wavy, but I want really controlled curls and like a beautiful style. And if I were to just let this air dry, unfortunately, it wouldn't look this cool. It would actually get really frizzy and the waves would start up really high. So let's see what happens here. All right. I'm gonna move this to the lower side. I'm gonna just do a rough blow dry. We're gonna go ahead and add our attachment, and then we'll do a round brush followed by our bouncy curls. Let's see what happens and how long it takes. Here. I wanna keep my hair still a little bit damp, so I'm just doing a little bit on the blow dry. Now let's see what this can do. I think we're at a midway point here, and I actually wasn't expecting this to straighten as well as it did. That was all done in 3 minutes. Do the other side. This makes drying your hair a breeze. I can't believe how fast it not just dried, but did it pretty straight. But knowing that I'm gonna put curls in it, I don't wanna get it stick straight. So let's curl now. I attach the side that says R for right. So we'll start on the right side of my hair. All right, those are really pretty. Okay, so every single time I was holding down the blue button to give it some cool air. And now we can see what it would look like to have straight hair with this and to have the curls with this. Onto the left side, we're gonna go ahead and put the left one on. Snap that into place and let's begin. The hardest hesitation for me is just remembering curl away from your face. But once you get the hang of that, it's gonna go really, really fast. Look at these curls. They're so bouncy and so good. They just make your hair look really healthy. Whole hair done, less than 15 minutes. I think it looks amazing, amazing. And I'm sure I could have done a better job. I'm still learning how to use this, but I'm so impressed because it really makes your hair look so healthy and it dries it fast. This is a game changer for me. I'm not gonna dread doing my hair after washing it anymore.